Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding treadmills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dynamax RunningPad Folding Treadmill. The Dynamax RunningPad treadmill adopts an intuitive design with durable parts. It's ready to use right out of the box, courtesy of its foldable design that also saves your space during storage. The treadmill's eco-friendly 0.1 HP motor is powerful and can deliver variable speeds from walking to sprinting, all right inside your home office. With the low-impact fiberboard deck, you'll get support assurance with every stride you make, thanks to the bonus soft gel coating that also enhances cushioning. Its sophisticated and patented folding mechanism reduces it to a compact 0.5 squared meters that's easy to take with you on a journey and to store. Use the Mirage LED console platform to get real-time data on your cardio and log your progress. The smart treadmill comes complete with a mobile app for better training. Moving on, at number 4, we have the GOPLUS Ultra-Thin Electric Folding Treadmill. This is a compact and ultra-thin machine that also comes in a lightweight design. The fact that this treadmill can be easily folded down means that carrying and storing will be hassle-free. Apart from that, you will appreciate that it comes with inbuilt wheels in order to facilitate its movement from one room to the other. When not in use, you can, therefore, put it at your room's corner or under the bed to save space. This treadmill will be ideal for walking, running, and jogging either at home or in the office. Among the uses of this treadmill include cardio training, muscle toning and even weight loss. With its LCD display and versatile modes, you will have an easy time with the treadmill. This machine comes with a very powerful motor and a shock-proof design to guarantee your safety. At number 3, we have the Best Choice Products Portable Folding Treadmill Machine. This treadmill allows you to conveniently switch between its different speed settings depending on your workout needs. You will appreciate that this machine comes with 3 preset workouts for newbies, intermediate and experienced users. Apart from that, this treadmill comes with a digital display allowing you to track the time, speed and the distance you have covered. When not in use, this machine will easily fold down, making it easy to carry everywhere you want. With its inbuilt wheels, it becomes even easier to roll from one room to the other. Its control console has been designed with 2 water bottle holders, allowing you to remain hydrated during the workout session. Its sturdy construction, on the other hand, allows it to support up to 250 pounds. At number 2, we have the SereneLife Smart Folding Treadmill. The SereneLife Folding Treadmill features a hassle-free plug-in design. It is a compact and slim machine that is portable and has a simple setup as well. With its Bluetooth sync feature, you will easily pair it with your Bluetooth-enabled device. This way, you are going to enjoy your favorite music as you train on this machine. The good thing is that it works with both Android and iOS. The folding treadmill has been made for the small spaces and comes with 12 preset programs. It will, therefore, be ideal for all skill levels. What's more, this machine allows you to easily adjust the speed according to your needs. With the digital LCD display, you will be in a position to track the information you want for the workout. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill with Device Holder. This drive system offers speeds of up to 9 miles per hour with 3 manual options in order to adjust the incline levels. The construction of this machine allows it to support a maximum weight capacity of 220 pounds. The good thing is that it has a wide running surface to make sure that you exercise comfortably. Given the reputation of this brand, there is no doubt that this machine is going to be effective. Another thing that people like about this treadmill is that it is easy to fold down when not in use, which saves so much space. The soft drop system, on the other hand, allows you to unfold the treadmill very safely and in a hands-free design. With its LCD display, you will be able to easily track the data you need for your workout. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.